Can you touch the sky there?
You mean from the mountains? At the top, you might. These days, my sun is brimming with questions. Questions that remind me of things I'd long forgotten.
I want to go there too.
How about tomorrow?
Dad!
Honey, let's go. We're late. You ready to touch the sky? Today, something shifted. We connected in a new way, not just as mother and son. But as friends, sharing an adventure. I'm glad we set up together. And I can't wait to see where we head off to next. So, are you ready to go?
Kia, movement that inspires.